Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Naima Akhter Tesha, Assistant Teacher Science Morning Shift of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take class 2 General Science class based on one word answer, and it's a RW class. We already have finished our all short syllabus, so it's your RW class. Let's start our class. It's your lecture number 21 and SW number 20, and is the topic is one word answer from 8 up to 14. Let's start our class. Our 8 number one word answer. Let's see the question. From home you should be always careful. That means from home you should be always careful. From home, from strangers. From strangers. 9. What are clothes made of? Clothes. What are clothes made of? Fiber. Number 10. What are the clothes of people living in the cold place made of? In the cold place, people normally wear woolen cloth. So the answer will be wool. What are the clothes of people living in cold places made of? Wool. Number 11. What type of water we drink? Fresh water. Because if you do not drink fresh water, then you can be contaminated with, you can be attacked by different kind of waterborne disease. Number 12. What can make us sick? Germs. What can make us sick? Germs. Number 13. How many forms of water? 3 forms. What are they? They are gaseous, liquid and solid. Number 14. What is the solid form of water? That is ice. What is the solid form of water? Ice. Let's again practice. From home you should be always careful. Strangers. From home you should be always careful. From strangers. Number 9. What are clothes made of? Fiber. Clothes are made of fiber. This fiber may be natural or artificial. Number 10. What are the clothes of people living in cold place made of? Wool. What are the clothes of people living in cold place made of? Wool. Number 11. What type of water we drink? We normally drink fresh water. What type of water we drink? We drink fresh water. Number 12. What can make us sick? Germs. What can make us sick? Germs. Number 13. How many forms of water? 3 forms. How many forms of water? 3. Number 14. What is the solid form of water? Ice. What is the solid form of water? Ice. Now, it's your SW. Your 20 number SW is one word answer from 11 up to 14. That means you have to do 11, 12, 13, 14 as your SW. Dear students, we have finished our class today. Please submit your SW regularly, because based on SW you will get your CT and SBA mark. I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home, stay at home and stay safe. Thank you.